SPC stands for Software Productization Center, and this was established a little over 3 years ago under a grant from the State System of Higher Education.
Is designed to help entrepreneurs take their software concepts from just concepts to marketable products.
It may well be a software piece itself, or it may be a part of software that goes with a manufacturing or testing process, etc.
With that portion of it, we've done everything from helping them set up videos to branding to websites to logo development, and then working with Pat's students with the marketing and doing some promotional materials for the marketing pieces that need to be created.
Runoff Studios was our latest collaboration, and that was probably the most fun for our students to develop. That is an educational, environmentally focused game for the iPhone platform or iOS platform.
The last project we did, which was an app game, the students really loved that, but they didn't realize how much work went into creating an application, and that you don't have to do it all and you don't have to know it all, that you will collaborate and work. So they did extensive illustration pieces with that.
It's a recycling game, and Nancy Mata's students did all the graphics and my students did all the programming, and Pat McCaskey's students looked into how to market the game and how best to launch that, and you should check it out. It's a lot of fun. It's called Face the Waste.
But part of the collaboration was they realized that in some parts they didn't have to do quite as much illustration because the computer science could program it to do some of the animation.
That is about to come out on the market, and we're all really excited to see how it goes. We're excited because we think it's just a really cool, very fun game.
It's a real-world experience, something that they can only get either through something like this or perhaps through a co-op or internship. They build a experience base, and they also get a pretty good reference that they can use elsewhere.